Hey guys, this is Moneymaker 001. In this video, we will be discussing about a really interesting strategy which can make you some awesome money utilizing the power of Pinterest. Okay, now not most of the people are using this platform every single day, and that's the reason why there is a great big opportunity for you to make some awesome money online. So now let's get started and we will be discussing all these things step by step. So let's begin.
So before jumping straight into the content, the sub to this channel would be extraordinary. So just press the subscribe button. Okay. So now the first thing you need to do is you need to go to Amazon and you just need to create an Amazon affiliate account, which I'm not gonna show because there are tons of videos which are available on YouTube, which you can see how to create an Amazon affiliate account. So once you've got your Amazon affiliate account, you will be seeing a strip just like this, which will appear on your Amazon. Okay, now whatever the book you have to search or whatever the things you want to sell as an affiliate, you just have to type it here in the search bar. So I just typed in this name of the book, which is Rich Dad Poor Dad, which I would like to promote. Okay, so this is the first thing you need to do. Okay, so once you have done and you have found your product. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to click on this text. Just click on this text and you will receive your affiliate link. So this is going to be our affiliate link. So you just have to click it and press Ctrl C so that your affiliate link is copied. Now this is the first method with which you are gonna promote this on Pinterest. Okay, and this is really simple, as well as Pinterest allows you to promote affiliate links. Okay, so it's really simple and you don't need to make any post for this. Okay, all the posts which are available on Amazon will be ready made for you. So what you have to do is just go to Pinterest and this is one of my Pinterest accounts. Okay, and you can also follow me over here. So what you have to do is click on the create post and you just have to click on over here. Okay, you have to click on the save from site and paste your affiliate link over here. Okay, so once your affiliate link is pasted over here, you will find a ton of images which are related to those books. Okay, so for example, whatever the image you like, you can just select that image from over here. For example, I like this one. Okay, so I have just selected this one and I'm just gonna say add one pin. Okay, so it's not the highest quality, but this method takes the least amount of effort. Okay, but if you don't still like it, you can just change images as per your choices. Okay, so it depends on you whether you want to upload multiple pins so that you just don't have to create too many images. Okay, but if you want a quick method, which is this one, so you just have to find out some images which are really good. Okay, and all you need to do is then once you have uploaded the image, you have got your Amazon affiliate link over here. Now you just have to type about something. This is best self help books for 2021. Why I am typing 2021? Because it's really relevant, because after 1 or 2 months most of the people will be coming to Pinterest and they will be searching for 2021 stuff, and that's the reason why this is going to be really SEO friendly. Okay, now you just have to type in these are the best books which changed my life. So I have typed in over here, and now all you need to do is check out your board and just publish it. Okay, so in this way you will be creating multiple pins. Okay, and this can be really beneficial because you can be posting 5 to 10 pins a day with different types of Amazon's products. Okay, with any of the products you can promote weight loss products, you can promote books, you can promote anything. Okay, but don't post more than 5 pins a day, because maybe if you post too many affiliate links, then Pinterest is gonna ban your account. So I just recommend posting 5 affiliate links per day in this pattern, and you will day by day you will see that your Pinterest will start growing and you will be starting to get lot of clicks on your Pinterest. Okay, so you can see I have just got this so many clicks on my Pinterest account every single month. 751 clicks for the last month I have got on all the links which I have posted in my Pinterest account. So that's something which you can also get, and you can just understand that if you are gonna get 700 clicks, you are gonna make some of a decent amount of money. Okay, what I'm gonna say is that I have earned almost $500 with the 751 clicks, and that's something which you can also earn just by using Pinterest and Amazon. Okay, now the another thing which you can do is that you can go to Canva and create pins all by yourself. Okay, but it's gonna take some time. But if you want to follow this method is really simple. All you need to do is find the book or find the product which you want to sell, click on this and get the affiliate link. That is simple. Okay, control C, go to Pinterest, create new pin, create pin, just click on the save from site and just select the image. Just keep in mind that the image which looks the best should work the best. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Okay, I think this one looks good, so maybe I will select this one. So you have got this awesome book for business person. Now don't watch out for my spellings, and here you just have to type in something which is related to the book. If you don't know anything which is related to the product, you can just copy some of the things from over here. Okay, so let's just do that thing. Okay, so I will just copy this from over here, and this will be my description over here. Okay, and then you can just publish it. That's how easy it is to promote your Amazon affiliate products and links utilizing Pinterest. Not everyone is doing this. There is still a very low competition on Pinterest, and that's the reason why you can make a ton of money with this. The thing is that you need to take action on the strategy to make some money. If you are not gonna take any action, you are not gonna earn any of the money. Okay, so just pay close attention and take action on the strategy. And sorry I wasn't able to post videos for so many days, and it was because I was doing something which is really important in my online business. So if you got some value out of this video, press the like button
as well as subscribe to this channel. We'll see you in the next awesome video which will be coming really very soon, and I'm gonna post regular videos from now on. So just stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.